Hey guys, how you doing?
Is going to balance out the dark floor down there, kind of bring those dark
You good?
up into the bills. I think that'll look cool. And
So today I'll be showing you what kind of stuff I make my stuff with. So you can download it. So download Intro Maker, download Record It, and download iMovie. iMovie is the one temporary app you need. Use iMovie to do stuff. iMovie is where I create all my videos. You see all this? You see all of these? There's no thumbnails, but I decided not to upload all. I decided not to upload this one, a lot of other ones, but I'll start animation soon. It's just because I want to restore my purchases on Pixel Gun 3D. But, yeah. Pixel Gun 3D gameplay coming soon. I didn't get demoted on my rank to champion one. I was playing on my PS4 controller today when I got champion rank. So, have a great day.